So the project that we worked on, and it was about 15 years ago now when it started, was a project called Friday. It was a project involving both Cambridge University and UCL. And the idea was to try to develop a new technology which was to take radio signals from a radio source, such as, let's say, a 2 or 3G base station, and transmit them around the building. So the problem we were trying to solve was people inside don't get very good mobile phone coverage, and can you improve that by distributing the mobile phone signal to lots of antennas spread around the building using optical fibre technology. So during the project and after the end of the project, it became clear that there was a market need for that kind of technology. And over time that market need has grown, because when we started smartphones didn't exist. You could do texting, that was about it, and make phone calls, but now of course you can watch videos, etc. So the signals that you need to transmit around buildings are much more complex, and you need much better fidelity of those signals. So actually it's played into our hands. It's meant that the technology has become even more important. And what we did was we founded a company about 12 years ago now called Zinwave, again a joint spin-out between Cambridge and UCL, and over time this company has developed this into a really commercial offering. It now employs 50 people around the country. It does its manufacturing in the UK, and it exports multi-million-pound products around the world every year. Well, what we've got on our stand is the system is too big to demonstrate on the stand, so we're showing some elements of it. We're showing some of the optical units and also remote antenna units. So these are the bits where the antenna is plugged into, which repeat the signal. So we've carried on working in this general area in distributed antenna systems within the University of Cambridge. And one thing we're now applying it to is to radio frequency identification, or RFID. And what we've shown there is that using distributed antenna systems, you can make a system which allows RFID tags to be measured over a much bigger area. And that's got lots of applications in retail, in hospitals, and in sort of public safety. And so we're hoping to spin that technology out and make that successful as well in the future. I think the thing that's characterised this particular piece of work has been engaging with companies and engaging with industry, and indeed trying to take what we thought was a useful piece of technology and to commercialise it. And I think the thing we've learned is it's a lot harder than you thought it was going to be, and takes a lot longer as well, and needs more money. Probably all of them by a factor of 5, probably, than we thought. But actually it's very rewarding and it's worth doing. But you shouldn't be worried about failing as well.